How to deactivate your Facebook account. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to deactivate your Facebook account. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so straight into it. So first, of course, open up the Facebook app on your mobile device. Then tap on the menu button in the top right hand corner, which brings you to this menu. Once you're here, scroll down to Settings and Privacy, tap on that option and then tap on Settings. Next, under Account, tap on Personal and Account Information, and then at the bottom tap on Account Ownership and Control. Here the second option is Deactivation and Deletion, so tap on that option. So you have two options. If you want to take a break from Facebook, you can deactivate your account, or if you want to permanently delete your Facebook account, you can do that also. So I'm going to just go for the deactivate account option. So your account will be disabled and your name and photos will be removed from most things you've shared. You also will not be able to access Oculus products or your Oculus information. You'll be able to continue using Messenger. So I'm just going to tap on Continue to Account Deactivation. Then for security reasons, you've got to re-enter your password. Then tap on Continue. So it will then ask you why you want to deactivate your account. So I'm just going to say this is temporary, I'll be back. But there's a range of different options that you can choose from. Then next tap on Continue. So here they'll try and get you to stay, or they'll ask you to save your posts in archive. It will ask you to, if you're planning on returning to Facebook, make sure you still have access to the email address or phone number you used to log into Facebook, or they can automatically reactivate your account in X amount of days. So you can just tap on that option. I'm just going to put don't reactivate automatically because I want to choose when I want to reactivate my account. Then tap on Continue. So here again, they're just asking lots of questions. They want to make sure that you really do want to deactivate your account. And if you do, just go ahead, tap on the blue button at the bottom that says deactivate my account. And that's all it takes to deactivate your Facebook account. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.